We look into monitoring the turnouts in making them smart.
If you first look at the total costs of a turnout in its life cycle, you soon realize that the production costs are only the tip of the floating iceberg.
Our target was, we wanted to optimize the whole system of a turnout, to expand the lifetime of all the components, to stretch the maintenance cycles, or even leave maintenance costs behind.
Inspection and monitoring is the foundation of every efficient rail maintenance strategy.
To wrap it up, the best solution is found in the combination of premium products and services. That's what we stand for as voestalpine, to really try to get the best result out of your infrastructure.
voestalpine, one step ahead.